Hi everyone, this is George, back with another video, doing a review video of this docking station, of the Venom docking station. Right, this is the docking station I got here. It's, you can, I'm just going to take it off this thing here. Let's show you how to charge up your devices on it. And so what you have to do is when you plug it into the your Xbox, you can all you gotta do is just make sure it's plugged in and the unit's in standby, and you place this on this thing here. Make sure you put it down like that and like that, and then wait for the red light to come on. It could be any one of those. That one and that one can come on. If you put it on that one, it's this one. That one is that one at the back. Okay, and then it's very easy. Comes in the box with 2 batteries. These are the 2 batteries you get, and it don't say Xbox, but they say the name of the branding of the company they've been made by. And yeah, so that's it then. So hope you liked this video, and that's my thoughts about this docking station, and I tried it myself, and it's actually very good. So and that's it then. So, and it cost me about $14.99, but that's actually gone up to, it was actually, the price is actually $15.99, so from Argos. So okay, I'll leave that, but you can get this on Amazon and Argos. I'll leave you a link down in the description. So okay, so alright then, thanks for watching. And if you want me to make any more videos, please leave a comment down saying if you want me to make more videos. Tell me what videos you want me to make, and I'll do them for you as well. Okay, so thanks for watching.